Radiance Media team of Ajit Kumar and Pallav Ghosh is at the 10th India Warehousing Show, and we are here at the stall of Eco Plus pre-engineering buildings. As we know, these days pre-engineering buildings and infrastructure is a common place because it saves not only energy but very good for the environment also. Water footprint, carbon footprint is quite good, and it's sustainable also. The buildings and the infrastructure is ready in few days or few weeks, and it's cost effective also. So I have with me Mr. Chetak Verma, who is the general manager of the company. He'll talk about the initiatives that his company is taking and what are the benefits of pre-engineering infrastructure, and what EcoPlus is offering to the common people, individuals, households, as well as to the B2B, both. Thank you.
Good afternoon, guys. I am from the EcoPlus, as you said, and first of all, welcome to both of you in our this plant. Actually, basically, this is the EcoPlus group is having units of TMT bars and as well as cement and as well as PB industries. Basically, PB industries in nowadays is growing more than anything. Like you can said, as Modi ji also said, we have to work on the green buildings as well. It is, you can say that cost effective, lighter than the civils and trusses buildings, and the time saving is also a very big advantage of these buildings nowadays. And you can make this building in a large span of 60 meter, 90 meters as well, and you can make the buildings in the floors as well, like G plus 8, G plus 10. And most of the time, like in a civil or like in other buildings, you don't get the revenue, but in this building you get the revenue in terms of, like, if after 20 years, 30 years you want to relocate the building, you want to scrap that building, anything, so you will definitely get the revenue of the same. So see, these are some advantages. More advantages also come, but that in short of time it cannot be explained. But you definitely get better way and better things from this PB concept. And this PB concept is nowadays it's going at the very huge level, and we are happy to announce that we are almost done 10 lakh to 20 lakh square feet completed after lockdown.
So, what is the vision plan of your company in next, say, 2 years or 5 years down the line? What is the growth or opportunity or the market share that you look at?
See, about the market share, this time we cannot disclose on the same, but definitely we are growing at the very huge level. Each of the plant of the EcoPlus is growing at the very huge level, and we are also happy to see our clientele is going to increase day by day. Not in the PV, but in every of like TMT, in cement, in every post of time we are growing.
What is the message from you to the people who are constructing new houses, as well as to the businesses who are looking at developing their infrastructure in terms of, say, MSMEs? I want to focus on. So how are you trying to reach them, and people who are constructing in villages also?
Yes, actually, we have a team who is also working door to door. So sometimes in the villages we have like sarpants and all. So we do connect with them, and we educated them that how it is beneficial for them to make these kind of buildings, these kind of toilets, porta cabins and all. Because we also do one of the project in the porta cabins, porta toilets as well. And we have delivered to this in like you can say in Leh Ladakh, Kashmir, for our soldiers, and we are happy that we have done it at on free of cost.
Thank. I have my colleague Pallav Ghosh has a question for you.
Yes,
Well, I can see that you are representing the Make in India logo over here. So, would you like to explain something? I mean, how this concept struck you, one, and what kind of help do you expect from the government, and how government is also helping you in this sector of ecology, actually?
see, basically, our PM Mr. Modi nowadays is doing very good, and we are very much thankful to him to make India at the another level. And in nowadays you can see that the China condition is not good. Earlier we all were depend on the China, but after Modi ji's come, and nowadays you will see all the factories, all the units are coming into India, and this is a very big opportunity for the Indians to grab that, and we will have to definitely grab it. And this Make in India logo is helping not to the level of the people who are living in the urban state, but the people who are living in the like villages and like very very small industries. But it is helping to what? Now we can say कि ये हमारी एक पहचान शुरू हो गई है. So अभी in nowadays what we were doing like if Russia is doing something, if China is doing something, if any other country is doing something, so we have to follow them. But now the people are also following the India. So this is very proud moment for us, and every Indian should have to proud on this. Thanks Modi ji and thanks you.
Thanks a lot, Chetak ji. It was nice talking to you. Ajit Kumar and Pallav Ghosh signing off from here. Thank you.